Here's the latest stuff from the trip. Got this calendar for purchasing this, actually. Yep. A little cool calendar. All right. This trip took me to Europe and also Dubai, so I got some European stuff. Well, not European stuff, but stuff I got in Europe, and then also, of course, the Dubai police things. I usually get at least one vehicle when I go. This is nice. I'll probably crack it. That's gonna go. It's got to look pretty good on display. As does this K5 Blazer. That's cool. I'm kind of into this. First time I've seen this little Miss Sunshine van, and I decided to grab this one, which was cool. Panel van. This is just a basic. Grabbed it because it was like $1 or something. These two you don't see very often. In fact, it's the first time I've seen them. I got these in Lucerne in Switzerland, right on that wooden bridge, the historic wooden bridge there. There's a Dubai Bugatti, which I'll do a separate video on. Matchbox. These I haven't seen these green lights before in the like generic white box, but they are apparently exclusive. They're hot pursuits, but they're definitely in different, different display case, which I haven't seen those before. Some neon speeders. The Skyline I didn't see in a lot of places, but the other ones were pretty much available everywhere. New Hot Wheels set of purple cars. There's, I think, 6 of them. Yeah, 6. This is the only one I really liked, so I grabbed that. And another one I've been after for some time. Just happened to be on the pegs at Tom's Model Autos, which is outside of Amsterdam. They have just about 25,000 cars in that store. I'll do a separate video on that, but pretty much all premiums. So that's basically my haul from the last, I don't know, 3 weeks, something like that, from a few different countries. We'll have to get to cataloging these right now, and I'll probably bust that open for my Bugatti collection as well.